Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera to judges, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Anwar and I am from the Faculty of Entrepreneurship and Business, University Malaysia Kelantan. For today's presentation, I would like to present my project titled Designing a Retail Format Simulation-Based Game Aims for Firms' Competitive Advantage. Therefore, I would like to highlight introduction, problem statement, novelty, project description, as well as commercialization. My project focuses on retailing education. So for those who do not know what is retailing is a process where individuals or organizations sell products or services for personal consumption. So going back to my project focuses on how we're able to improvise teaching and learning in retailing education, because we can see the transition from the traditional way to the modern way of teaching and learning, which include simulation-based game. And why we would like to have simulation-based game, because it is one of the ways which is proven to have or to facilitate active learning in class. So the problem statement is actually on how we're able to have a simulation-based game that is convenient for retail as well as non-retail students. And the development of such game should be considered because we would like to have a game which can help to facilitate active learning and able to make sure that the student to learn about retailing education in more effective way. For the novelty, the development of a learning-based game does not only emphasize on the technical aspect, but also emphasize on the pedagogical aspects of game and technology. So that's why for our project, we rely on COP experiential learning theory and the game-based learning theory in order to develop the simulation-based game that is convenient for retail as well as non-retail students. There are two general options for integrating simulation into course, whether we use benchmark or direct competition. And for more convenient and for more effective way, we are using direct competition, where we would like the game to emphasize on how the students are able to learn on few aspects, such as the relationship with the customer, the relationship with the suppliers, the efficiency of internal operation, as well as location, which are deemed to be very important or essential for competitive advantage. So all these factors, all these aspects are combined together to ensure that the technical aspect of the game as well as the pedagogical part of the game are combined together, so that it can be learned by the student and they are able to ensure that they will get all the benefits of learning about retailing education. So the commercialization part of this project, definitely if the game is able to attract the student to use it, so this can be commercialized in terms of a game itself, and it can be provided together with the teaching material, so that when the student is learning about certain topics, they can also use the game so that it can help them to better understand anything related to that particular topic in class. So these are all very important, because in order for us to have the active learning in class, you need to be able to ensure that the students really engage on whatever that we have taught in class, and make sure that they are able to make it in a more practical way. And one of the way that we can use is actually to have a very well-designed simulation-based game to be used inside the class. Thank you very much.